Okay, so for this week's product review, I'm gonna do something that may sound a little stupid, but in my opinion, it'll make sense as I explain. Because I'm gonna actually be doing a product review on my pool. Now, ignore how dirty it is because of the hurricane. It just blew over because it destroyed one of my screens, but that's on a side note. What I'm more specifically talking about is gonna be on how to take care of it. Because a lot of people, whenever they have a pool, they pay a pool person, but it's a lot simpler than you think to take care of it, and that's kind of what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to show you how to. Now, the first thing you'll definitely notice is how dirty it is. Now, it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is get one of these vacuum cleaners. It's going to look like this thing right here with the tube, and then you can connect it with this stick that we use, and there's going to be a hole. There's usually a hole around the middle of the pool. Mine's right there. That is where the vacuum connects, and that's how you can suck everything up. Now, the next thing that you'll notice is the chlorine. How do you manage the chlorine in the pool? It's super simple, actually. I hold mine. You have to buy these chlorine tabs. It's super simple. It's gonna be these right here. They're not super expensive, probably like $30, which may sound expensive, but there's like a million of these. And this is how you test your chlorine levels at home. All you gotta do, pretty simple. You just have to stick one of these sticks in this little thing here. Just stick one of these sticks in the water, and it will tell you all about your water levels because it has all of these things on there which tell you about your water, and that's how you can keep track of it. Now, the other part that gets a little bit more complicated with it is the pump system. Now, every pool has a different kind of pump system. Mine, thankfully, is pretty simple because mine's a little bit smaller, but every pump system always has its basics. It always has your filter, it always has your exit valve, which is if you want to empty the water, and then it always has your pump. Pump is definitely going to be your most important thing. The main thing you want to think about in a pump is you never want to let any air get in it, or obviously have any leaks, because that's also a bad thing. Now, easiest way to fill it up is just use your closest hose. Thankfully, I have one right there. But I'm hoping this will help you guys out. Especially because I know pool guys can be super expensive. I've been taking care of my own pool for like 3+ years now. It can get a little bit complicated if the pool doesn't like to work and you have problems with it. That's when you'll usually have to get a pool person. But if there's a place I highly recommend if you have any questions, it's a place called Leslie's. It's a pool supply place. They'll have everything you need. They're always super nice. But I'm hoping you guys enjoyed it, and I'm hoping you guys can take care of your own pools and not have to spend a shit ton of money. All right, y'all take care.